can see how it was. Have to let you pass, but you're so beautiful.
The one that you like turns to the...
Hi, my name is Adrian and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video will be part 2 of my clothing haul. If you haven't checked out part 1, I'll leave a card up above so you can watch that one. Today I'll tell you where I got the item from, and I'll show you the item. So let's get started. First we have Forever 21. I have these white cargo pants, look like this. I got these in a size extra, no, 1X, look like this. I got these because I wanted some white pants, but I don't really like the fit of these pants, so I might just get some more white pants and return these. Next, I got this racing shirt, looks like this. It's red, black, and white, and it just has Fearless Racing on it. It looks like this. It's a long sleeve shirt since it's fall. And I got this in a size 1X, and this, I forgot to tell you the price of the pants. Price of the pants were $35 for the pants. This shirt was $18. Looks like this. The next shirt is this orange shirt right here. It just says Corvette on it. It's another like racing shirt. This one is short sleeve. I got this shirt in a 2X because on the website it said they run small, so I got 2X and I normally wear 1. This shirt was $17.90. Looks like this. Then the last thing I got from Forever 21 is this gray shirt. Just looks like this. And it says born in the 90s, and it's like neon yellow. And of course I was born in 1993. It's a long sleeve shirt. This I got in a size 1X. And it doesn't have a price tag on it, so I don't know how much this shirt was. It looks like this. Alright, next we're gonna go with Swank University. I think I got one item. Yeah, I only got one item from Swank University. It's this bright yellow shirt. Looks like this. And it just says make money, not friends. I don't really have any yellow shirts, and I saw this on there on Instagram. I had to pick up this shirt. I don't remember the price of this shirt, but if I can find the shirt, I'll leave a link down below. And I got this in an extra large. The next one is from YNH Primetime. He's a rapper on Instagram. He also hangs out with Trey from Christian Trey on YouTube, well, on here. And it just looks like this. So YNH shirt. This is what it looks like on the back. I like this shirt for 2 reasons. First, because of the different colors. Like if you saw my first one, I love shirts that have different colors on them. And of course, because on the back you got Washington DC on there, and that's where I'm from. So I really like this shirt. And again, I don't remember the price, but I'll leave a link down below. Next, we have, which company is this? The Baddie Factory. I'll leave their information down below. I got this bodysuit in an extra large. This is like this, and it says Killer. It's red, black, and white bodysuit. I really like this bodysuit because I like bodysuits because you can just put on some jeans and some sneakers and go. So I probably wear this with my red and black Jordans and some light wash jeans. So I really like this. And the last one, I think this was from What's Lovely. And I got a lot of items from them. Let me just dump all this. Alright, now a lot of these were sets, but some of them I couldn't fit like the whole set. So like if I couldn't fit it, I'm gonna put it on my Poshmark closet. So this first one is a set, and it's red and white. These are the shorts that go with them. They're color blocked. And this is the shirt. And it just says Savage. Looks like this. Is again color blocked with the like reddish orange and the white. I would probably wear this with a bodysuit, a white bodysuit, and just leave the top open. Next, I got this black shirt. Looks like this. And it says Friday is my second favorite F word. I just thought that was funny, so I brought this shirt. And I really like the material of this shirt. It's like one of those dry fit shirts that you wear when you like work out. So this looks like this. Next one was a set. It had a jacket, but my shoulders and arms were too big for the jacket, so I couldn't get it on. But they came with these pants, and these were like Gucci inspired pants. Look like this. And I thought I could wear this with like a bodysuit again, and then just wear these pants. So I really like this. Next is this set that looks like this. It's black, white, yellow, and blue. Looks like this on the back. And it says Finesse on the pants right here. And this is the top that goes with it. That's the back. This is the front. I didn't really like this shirt because I thought it wasn't going to be cropped, because I don't really like to wear crop tops. So I might put something on underneath this and make this an outfit. But these pants fit really well. That's why I'm debating whether I should keep the top to go with it or not. But if I do, I'll probably just put on a bodysuit and put this over top of the bodysuit so it doesn't show like everything. And then the last store I got something from is Cargo Chic. And there are these pants right here. They're black, yellow, red, and blue. They have the red stripe going down the side of them right here, and then blue at the bottom. I don't know why I like these pants, but I thought they could go with a lot of my different outfits that I wanted to wear. Like I could wear this with a yellow shirt, I could wear this with a blue shirt. So the options are really unlimited with this. So I got these pants from Cargo Chic. A lot of these stores I found them on Instagram, so I'll leave all their information down below. And if I can, I'll find the links to the actual items down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.